Just a few years ago, the idea of gold at $5,000 per 1 ounce sounded extreme. Today, it's no longer a theory, it's market reality. It's just 24th of January 2026. Gold is trading around $5,000 per 1 ounce on the global spot market. Just yesterday, it almost reached 5,000 and over. And if we took a physical gold, the numbers are even more telling. In countries like Poland, a 1 ounce gold coin currently sells for about 18,400 Polish gold currency, which equals roughly to over $5,200 per 1 ounce. So the question that once sounded ridiculous now sounds uncomfortably realistic. Can gold reach $20,000 per 1 ounce? If yes, when could that happen? And what would it actually mean for the global economy and for ordinary people? That's exactly what this video is about. Let's pause for a moment and look at where we are right now. Nearly 5,000 per 1 ounce and over is not a normal historical level for gold. It signals that the financial system is under serious stress. Why? Because gold is not a growth asset like stock, an income asset like bonds, or a speculative tech play. Gold rises when confidence in money falls, or when there is a lot of printing and low interest rate. And today, government debt is at record levels. Budget deficits are structural, not temporary. Central banks have a very limited room to maneuver. That's why $5,000 no longer looks like a peak. It's starting to look like a new base level. Or it is a new base level. Many people ask, why does gold trade at $5,000 on the chart, but physical coins cost over 5K? The gap is extremely important. It reflects minting and production costs, dealer margins, transportation and security, and most importantly, real physical demand. When confidence is high, people buy paper gold. When fear rises, people want metal in their hands. The larger the gap between spot price and physical gold, the more stress exists beneath the surface of the system, and the gap is clearly visible today. Let's look at this rationally. Gold at $5,000 is normal now, but gold for 20K per 1 ounce, what would that mean? About a 4 times increase from today's price. But more importantly, it would mean a 75% loss of purchasing power of dollar relative to gold. Has this happened before? Yes, many times. History is full of examples. 1970s inflation in the United States, currency collapse in Latin America, debt crisis and monetary reset, the post-World War II monetary restructuring. Gold doesn't go up, currency lost value. $20,000. Gold wouldn't represent prosperity, it would represent systematic stress. What would need to happen for gold to reach $20,000? First, persistent inflation and stagflation, not hyperinflation tomorrow, but years of slow, controlled currency erosion. A sovereign debt crisis. Governments cannot resolve current debt levels without inflation, restructuring, or massive money creation. 3. Capital fly into real assets. Gold, silver, commodities, land. Less trust in bonds and fiat currencies. 4. Continued central bank accumulation. Central banks are not speculating, they are hedging against systemic risk. When could this happen? 3 scenarios. Scenario number 1. Slow and gradual. From 15 to 25 years. Gold rises alongside long-term inflation. $20,000 sometime after 2040. Scenario 2. Crisis driven. From 5 to 10 years. A debt or bond market crisis accelerating the move. 20,000 during the 2030s. Scenario number 3. Monetary reset. A financial system is introduced. Gold is revalued overnight. A jump, not a gradual chart. But would this happen? Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are gaining, and the financial system is still there. So I don't believe it. 20k for 1 ounce will be just normal, like Bitcoin or other currency high value. Part 6. Why most people don't believe this? Because we think in short time frames. We anchor to today's prices. The system has worked for most of our lives, but every monetary system eventually ends. Gold doesn't promise returns. Gold outlives system. Today, gold trade around 5,000 per 1 ounce. Physical gold already exceeded $5,000 per 1 ounce in many markets. This is no longer theory. It's warning signal. $20,000 gold is possible. Not tomorrow, but sooner than the most people expect. The real question is, will the world look the same by the time we get there? I think yes. This will be normal world. Like today, cryptos are rising and even you cannot touch it. So how on earth gold would not cost 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 or $50,000 per 1 ounce? If 1 ounce of diamonds today can cost 100 or even $1.5 million. So if diamonds that we can now create in oven, special created for creating diamonds, and today diamonds for 1 ounce can cost $1.5 million. So how on earth gold cannot cost $20,000 per 1 ounce? This video made you think? Hit the like button, subscribe for content about real money and macro trends. Comment below. What do you think gold will cost in 2030? 20k or 40k? See you in the next video.